Good morning and welcome to Breakfast Cure. I'm Karen Taylor, acupuncturist and Chinese herbalist. Today, my masterclass is about staying healthy and keeping your protection strong so you can avoid external pernicious influences that make you sick. In Chinese medicine, these pathogens are considered to be heat, cold, dry, and dampness, and they all ride in on the wind. You have protective energy called wei qi, or defensive qi, that circulates on the surface of your body in the skin and the muscles. It controls the opening and closing of your pores and sweating. Eating warm, well-cooked food and taking plenty of good deep breaths will help you build strong protective qi and keep potential invaders from catching a ride in on the wind. The spot on your body that's the most susceptible to external pathogens riding in on the wind is called your wind gates. This is an area on your upper back or lower neck, and the best way to protect yourself from wind and any pathogens that can ride in on it, like the viruses and bacteria that cause colds and flu, is to cover your wind gates. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, be sure to bundle up and especially wear a scarf because it's the best way to protect your wind gates and stay healthy. Now head on over to breakfastcure.com and be sure to sign up for the newsletter so you won't miss any of these mini masterclasses. Have a wonderful day and be sure to protect your wind gates.